Hey everyone, in this video, we will find out how to put Printify products on Etsy. Make sure to watch till the very end. Before anything else, make sure you have an account on Printify and Etsy and that they are both connected. First, we go to Printify and log in. Once you're in, choose a product. Let's choose this cell phone case as an example. Pick which case you want to do, and they have a variety. Then click on Start Designing. Click on Add Your Design. You can upload from a device and choose the file you want. Let's choose this one as an example. Click on Publish. Wait for it to finish publishing. You can edit the product title. After publishing, you can see it in store. Thanks for watching. If this video has helped you, make sure to like and subscribe and leave comments down below for more videos like this. See you on the next one.